miles an hour.
Galera, dá uma olhada nisso que vai rolar agora, mano.
Somewhere around 200 miles an hour. And who will win this
Olha aí.
race? We don't have the faintest clue. Bill, John, and Brad are actually great friends, but they're always poking fun at one another, usually at air shows and big events in front of thousands of people. Why? I don't have a clue, but we deal with it, and I'm not going to go out there to stop it. Oh, if he flies any lower, he's going to turn into a hood ornament. Here's what's going to happen, everybody. We're